Good morning, I'm Lenny the woodworker, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fiberglass your canoe. In this video I'm going to use a selfie stick. I set this up everywhere. I couldn't get the right view whatsoever, so I think this is going to be the easiest thing for me to do. Alright, in the last video we had a sealer coat. I like to do that. The wood absorbs some of the epoxy, so then during this fiberglass stage it's not like pulling it out of your fiberglass. Next, what you're going to want to do, the epoxy, like any stain or anything, is going to raise the grain. Sand the whole boat down. I use an 80 grit. You just want to get it smooth. You don't want to take the epoxy off. You want to scratch it up so it adheres to it. Then, every ounce of dust remove off the boat. Blow it off. Let that settle. Use a tack rag. I usually do everything the night before so anything can settle, and then I tack rag it again. Alright, start by, boy that glass is thing. Start by rolling out your glass. This is fiberglass. There we go. Here's the cloth. We're using a 6-ounce cloth. Since you can't see the boat, you're going to have it on there and you're going to put it over the whole boat. Make sure it's over the ends far enough and check all the way around. You can rough cut it close, but don't try to do it exact. Once you roll it out over your boat, just take a brush, utility brush, and any bubbles, well, you can't see anything. Any bubbles, just brush it out to get it pretty smooth. How's that look? All right, that'll save time. As you're going, you don't have time to epoxy setting up. You want to make it smooth and keep this handy because maybe as you go it shifts. You use the brush. You don't really want to use your hands. They say the oil isn't very good. Now you don't want to start, I don't start at one end, at the very end. I come in a little bit. How do we see this? There we go. Well, it's hard. Come in a little bit. Start there. And you're going to do, just like we did the sealer coat, you're going to start on this side and then do the other side. Once I get it set, about 2 feet in from the end, then I'll work it to the corner. The reason, the epoxy will set the glass a little bit away, so then when you're cutting and shaping around the stern, it won't move on you. You set it, you came back, you put your epoxy, you set it, then you can cut it. The best way to do it, I'm going to try to come over here. I think this might be better. The best way when you're doing the stern is, see it's all loose now, is once you start glassing it, you'll make a slit, but don't make it perfect. Make it offset a little bit. Alright? And then you'll glass to one side and you'll fold it over a couple inches. Alright? While this side's back. Then you'll come over here and you'll glass the other side and bring it slightly over this side. You will have a lap. That's okay because it will sand right out. It'll buff right out the lap that you have. I recommend I like the West system with this epoxy resin. I'll pause it for a second. The most important part is the numbers. When you're ordering, there's a lot of different epoxies out there. I use this one. This stuff's great. I mix it in my cups, and I put it on with a squeegee. You keep the brush there, especially around the ends. You might have to like brush it to try to work it out, but for the most part I use a squeegee, and you don't press too far. You want to take your time, because if you don't want to press too hard, you don't want to go too fast. You want to make sure that you get a nice even finish over it, and you're not using too little or too much because it'll float. And like I said, just go back and forth, work your way all the way down. And when you get to the other end, you do the same thing I said with the slit and fold it over, trim the excess. And that'll be the first coat of epoxy. This is, wet in the cloth it is. We'll do 2 more filler coats after that, but that'll be in another video. So hopefully I gave you some pointers. I wish I could set it up and talk through the whole thing. I'm not at that level yet, but we'll get there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you do your filler coats of epoxy. Good luck. Thanks for watching.